Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're gonna be discussing, Aurora's big news. Or I don't know what I'm gonna title the video right now, but yeah, we're just gonna talk about the stock market in general. This is sponsored by my stock market mastery course. It's $60 to enroll per month and $600 a year, $50 a month if you take the yearly plan, slightly cheaper. So Aurora Cannabis. So this is the big news for the day. Aurora Cannabis exports to Poland. Another sign that Aurora is an international company. They're exporting cannabis to a hospital, a shipment to a pain treatment center and a hospital in Warsaw. So another sign that it's good. It's good. More international sales. The Canadian rec sales is already doing extremely well. So Tesla, what? Down $3.06. Wow. Huh. Interesting. It's given back most of its gains, like I predicted. I knew that this would happen. That Tesla, because the stock market is so volatile right now that I think any kind of gains people can get, any kind of gains institutional investors can get, they'll take it because the market is just all red and bad and nothing is doing good. I haven't sold off any of my Tesla shares, but maybe I should have. I should have sold off some and just rebought back in right now. Oh well, that's life. Can't be perfect. AMD. I may have overreacted a little bit and I sold a little early, but I sold off my entire position because I do believe that this company's stock is heading back down to like 15. I think this company's stock will test the $15 level soon, and it may, depending on how the whole semiconductor business is acting, this stock may go back down to $10. So this is what my prediction only. This is only what I think. But at $10, this stock would be a screaming buy. I don't know if it'll ever hit $10. I'm saying there's a possibility that the stock could hit $10 because the market's so volatile right now that people are just taking profits. I mean, people are just selling, trying to be in cash right now. At least this is from what I can see and from what I've been listening on YouTube, I guess, on like CNBC and Bloomberg and all that. They're just talking about how volatile the stock market is, and there's a could be a possibility of a crash. I mean, I'm not saying the stock market will crash. I'm saying that it could be. Holding stocks right now could be like extremely dangerous. A lot of people are saying hold cash. Make sure you have some cash. Just be careful in the stock market in general. So that's what I did. I decided to take cash. Sell at a loss. Even though I sold it at a loss, I sold it at $19. I could have sold it at closer to $20, but I kind of overreacted and sold it a little quick. I knew that there might be a bounce today, and I was right. It bounced to $19.50. It bounced to almost $20, and then it kind of just went back. I don't think it's gonna go back to $22.79. I could be totally wrong, but I think it's just like the regular bounce. When a stock declines big time, people buy, it bounces up, and now the trajectory is slowly down. This is just my opinion. I could be totally wrong. Look, Tesla is already giving back entire gains. Now it's like back to when I bought it yesterday. Even though the quarter report is amazing, I'm just saying people are desperate. That makes that worries me a little bit about the cannabis stocks. Even though I had some good news today, the stock's still plummeting. A lot of people are coming to me saying they're very butthurt. My cousins, everybody is just messaging me. It's like, what's going on with Aurora? Why is the stock down so bad? I did tell you guys that there's a possibility. I did warn you guys in an earlier video about 2 weeks ago, there's a possibility Aurora stock could hit $8, and people were like, it's not gonna hit $8, and then, you know, it's heading there right now. The gamble is the stock gonna hit $8, or is there gonna be some kind of big catalyst news that will cause these stocks to rise? Nobody really knows the future. I know that the earnings report in November, the November time frame, the Canopy, the CanTrust, the Aurora earnings report will be very, very good, and it will cause the stock to rise massively. At least I hope so. I don't know for sure, but I know the next earnings report is going to be very good. I think it's going to be in the range of between $80 to $100 million for Aurora, and Canopy is going to be closer to the $100 million mark. At least this is just my prediction. I'm not 100% sure where the direction of the stock is heading in the November time frame, especially since the stock market is so volatile right now. I'm holding this stock because there's, like, right now there's no point of selling it. I mean, yeah, I could take, you know, some profit, and I could gamble the fact that I could hit $8, or some big news can come out and I can kick myself for selling early now. You know what? I'm gonna choose to just take the gamble and lose, you know, could possibly lose another $1.50. Cause this, I truly believe this stock could go back down to $8. It could even go lower than $8, but I think at $8 is, you know, at that point it's gonna rise, because at $8 is, I think the company will be considered undervalued. But that's just my opinion. Long term anyways, I think at $8 Aurora is definitely undervalued. At $12, $13, $14, $15, that was when we were getting into the overvalued territory. And then the fact that the bubble burst is a good sign. I mean, now we don't have to worry about another burst, right? Because the bubble's already burst. The bubble's trying to recover. Some companies will recover depending on the fundamentals. I believe Aurora will recover in the November time frame. We'll see what happens though. Now I just kind of want to show you some pictures. So yesterday I forgot to post. I should have posted this picture yesterday, but yesterday I went out and I bought a bunch of weed from the store. All the Aurora weed was sold out at the Alcana store and the Fire and Flower. There was not much of a big lineup yesterday early in the morning, so I took advantage of that, and I went both in the Alcana store and the Fire and Flower store, and I bought some products. I bought this at the Fire and Flower, and I bought this at the Nova Cannabis store. So San Rafael 71 is Metroleaf's product, but since Aurora acquired Metroleaf, now it's Aurora's product, so I'm just buying Aurora products. I gotta say, you know, this is 1 gram. This is 1 gram of cannabis, and, you know, Canopy went all out on just 1 gram of cannabis. This product, this container alone, looks like it's like at least a couple dollars to make, like at least $1 to make. It's a very nice fancy product to sell 1 gram of weed. So I mean, that's pretty cool for them to do something like that. And then this is Metroleaf's Metroleaf's 1 gram of cannabis. Like, I can't believe they use like big packaging instead of using like a little small baggie. They're using like a big ass packaging for the cannabis. This is 3.5 grams of Metroleaf Purple Kuro. I gotta say that Metroleaf and Canopy product is, you know, when you touch them and you smell them, they smell so fresh. They're so soft when you touch them, compared to like Afria, Emblem, and another name brand, Acreage Farms Ltd. Oh, and also Up Cannabis. Up Cannabis, I really don't like the smell and taste of the cannabis. the product feels kind of dry, like really dry out actually, and it doesn't feel like, you know, it feels like old weed. Like Up Cannabis weed feels old. At least the product I bought, I don't know what's called. It I don't think it even has a name on it. Yeah, I really don't like the taste of the product. So Aurora and Metro, I mean, this is not just me being a big fanboy because I'm a big shareholder in the stock. I'm just saying in general that I tried a lot of products. The you know, so far out of all the products, I say Aurora and Canopy has the best product so far. Like the smell, the taste, everything is very good for Canopy and Aurora. But for other producers, it's kind of mediocre. I still have to try out like Cantrust and Hexo and, you know, other brands. But that's all I have to say about that. This is in the Aurora store. This is CBD pills, and the CBD pills is sold out. I was like, wow. It was selling for around $40 per package for pills, and it's completely sold out. I'm shocked at that because it has no THC. I thought that, you know, people don't really care about CBD and they care about THC. And this is considered Aurora's high-end margin product. So, you know, considering that the fact that all the pre-rolls are sold out and all the CBD products are sold, actually in the Alcana store, almost all of Aurora's products are like sold out everywhere. So Aurora is making mad money right now. At least I believe. We'll see what they have to say in the earnings report in November timeframe. They might give a guidance for the October, November, and December timeframe. So we'll see what they have to say. I'm hoping they give a guidance. They might not give a guidance, but I'm hoping maybe that'll be one of the questions that get asked by one of the analysts or one of the shareholders that call in to ask. This is a more sold out product. Oh shit. So yeah, this is like Aurora product. Starseed temporary sold out. Saturday night, I'm not too sure where that one is. This one is Afria's brand name. This is also Afria brand. So, you know, even Afria and everything is selling out. It's just a lot of people are selling by. This is Afria brand. This is Aurora's brand. This is Edson. I'm not too sure. Edson might be a private company. And, you know, more sold out product. Afria. Not sure what that is. I don't like Acreage Farms. I tried some of their weed. Not that great in my opinion. But like a lot of product in the Alcana store was sold out. This is some of the pictures I was taking on that. Oh, that's it, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's all the pictures I have to show you guys. Right now, I don't know. Oh, Roy's dipping in the red. Ooh, could be heading on the $8 price target. Maybe I should call the video Aurora heading down to $8. Cause more panic and fear. Cause I think it could. I think it could hit down to $8, but at $8, that would put like Aurora on the US side around $6 or $5. Make a lot of people want to buy the stock at $8 in my opinion. But then again, you know, the market is acting really funny right now, so I don't know. Alcana starting to recover. Disclosure, yes, I'm a shareholder. I sold the stock and then I rebought the stock, and I'm hoping to resell this stock at a profit. Hoping. We'll see what happens. Canopy is up a little bit today. I mean, I'm not shocked. Canopy's the leader. If anybody was to be up in the green, it'd be Canopy because they're getting $5 billion soon. The stock is, you know, $5 billion of cash. They have the most production in in Canada right now, and they have the most weed in Canada right now. So they have the most supply, they have the most production, they have $5 billion in cash. At $50.97, I still say Canopy is undervalued. At least it's just my opinion. It could go back down to $40, but it would be a screaming buying opportunity at $40 in my opinion. Just my opinion, not advice to buy. Aphria is down. That is actually, sorry, Aphria is up right now. No news on Aphria. Aphria, you know, the wheat's not that good, but right now it doesn't even matter in the market. At the end of the day, people will be choosing what they want to buy when they go in the stores. So if Aphria doesn't step up the game, they could lose out on branding. I don't know for sure, but that's my prediction anyways. We'll see. I'm definitely gonna keep an eye out on all the products. Aphria does not have anywhere close to the supply Aurora and Canopy has, so Aphria is gonna fall behind on the financial reports when it comes out in the new year, I guess, because they don't have as much supply, because Aurora has like over $100 million in supply. Canopy has like probably $125 to $150 million in supply. So, and Aphria has, I think, around $40 million in supply. So Aphria is kind of suffering on the supply side of the cannabis industry right now. Hexo had only like a $10 million supply. I don't know what to say about Hexo. I just gotta say, I guess I would call Hexo a swing trade stock. They could do well in the future, who knows. Weed is selling out like crazy and they have awesome branding. I haven't tried any of the Hexo product. I don't think Hexo got a supply agreement in Alberta. But I heard Alberta is adding more supplies because they're running out of weed, so they need more weed to satisfy the rec market. So they're signing on more suppliers, which is a good sign. So Hexo might get a chance to be in Alberta. But I went around, I looked, I didn't see any Hexo products, because I would definitely pick up some Hexo and try it. But I didn't see it. I would try the Green Organic Dutchman if they had product. I got an email on Green Organic Dutchman because I signed up to them. They're like, oh, Cancord Genuity gave us a speculative buy rating of $7. Maybe for next year, not for this year. I think your stock's plummeting down to $3. It actually hasn't hit $3 yet. $3.71, $3.60. I don't know. Let's see what happens. The volume is extremely low on T-God too, so just saying. Namaste. They were supposed to close the underwriting agreement today, but they have not announced any news today. So maybe it got delayed. Hopefully, maybe later in the day they announce, oh, we closed our financing dealing, blah blah blah. We got money now, we're good. Or they can announce it tomorrow, or they can say, oh, our financing deal got canceled, and then that would plummet the stock badly, very badly. I don't know if somehow it got canceled. So far they've been following everything, so in theory it shouldn't cancel. The capital raise of $45 million shouldn't cancel, but we'll see what happens in the future. I am a shareholder of Namaste, disclosure, I guess, and I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. Why do I have Hexo up again? Alright, I guess that's all. Let's see if Aurora is back in the green. Oh, it's going back to the green, I guess. So, just, I don't know. For my advice for Aurora, if you have cash, then you're golden. Just buy low, sell high. That's like an advice a lot of people gives you. So I should have took profit. It's funny because the day Aurora was around $14, I got an email from one of my members. He was saying sell Aurora, sell your stocks because we're gonna have a market crash. And I said I'll take the risk. I don't want to sell. I wish I listened to his advice and sold some stock. It hurts right now, but yeah, that's life. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you just like this content, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.